Yeah, good morning, my people. It's a new day, and we have a reason to thank God for today. You know, it's not more that you almost take a trade every day by day. Sometimes you just have to sit back and watch. And there is this saying this is that not trading is also part of trading. Or rather, it's called capital preservation. Okay, without wasting much of your time, guys, let's dive down to the market. Actually, okay, this is the last trade we took, which was a loss. I posted it. This was this trade, and ever since then. Bitcoin has been making a downward move. In fact, as a matter of fact, I think it went down 16% yesterday or so. And it never gave us any entry towards the downtrend. We had a break here and the retest, but unfortunately, the entry that it presented was an engulfing instead of a double bottom. And you guys know we only trade double bottom with engulfing, not just engulfing. So moving forward, we are currently waiting for watching what Bitcoin at today. Unfortunately, we actually expecting something like this to happen, then reject here and start moving on. But as it looks, seems like our analysis is gonna be wrong actually because it's looking right now, not looking like something that's trying to pull back to continue, like create a perfect channel to continue. So all you just have to do right now is just sit back and watch. Even if it does not give us not get the entry here, we just have to wait and see whether it's gonna come down here and give us a double bottom, or possibly give us a different chart pattern altogether. Then moving forward to gold, which is SAU USD. As you all know, this was the trade I took on gold, which I used to pass account. I went short somewhere here down to this point. This is the trade here. Let me show you guys that trade here. That is a trade. Though we have already passed our accounts and whatever that happens next, that's what I told you guys, is none of our business anymore. So, well, moving forward, gold is trying to show something that looks like a double top around here, which is somewhere around here to here, or something like this. But even if it gives a double top here, we're not gonna take a short position. What is our reason? Our reason is very simple. Extend this double top here. You see that there's also another candle that closing went into the region, which is here. And our rule states that for us to take, or rather, for a double top or double bottom to be valid, it has to be clean. Like it has to be distinct. What I mean is that this thing, maybe if something like this happen, they can be looking forward to taking a double. Maybe see if something like this thing has happened somewhere around here, and give us an entry, then we are likely to take it because of why. If you look at this region here, it happened. It is clean. Or maybe if it happens somewhere around here also, we consider it as a rejection, so it will be clean. So we are likely to take it a short position. But for it to happen anywhere around here, we're not taking it. We just let it be. So continue sleeping or maybe playing game or whatever we're doing. And just keep our hand closed and also our eyes in the market. So this is just basically the two observations I'm making on Bitcoin and gold. And just like I told you guys, we don't have any entry yet, we don't have any this thing. So we just wait. Patience, discipline. We try to be patient and disciplined enough to see how it goes. So thank you. Meanwhile, before I go, I would like to make an announcement. I've gotten a lot of requests. I'm trying to create a community, like maybe a WhatsApp group or maybe a Telegram channel. I'll be doing that shortly, and I'll also be posting. I will posting it. I will drop in the link. So that those who really want to trade with me, real time, can just join the channel, and also because I will be posting my trades there, where we all trade together and go together. So enjoy your day, guys.